Alright, this video is to show you how to record in multi-track if that is an option that you've gotten through the StreamGrace network. So the first thing you'll do is you want to make sure that your mixer is connected via USB to your computer, and make sure Capture 3 is installed, which is this app right here. So you'll click Capture 3 and it'll do this stuff, and then this is an icon you're looking for. If you're not properly connected, this will not show up that way. It will look like most likely will look like this, and that is not what you want. You need to make sure in the drop down menu that the Studio Live 16R is selected. Now right here you can name your recording, artist, performance, location. You don't have to do that. You can just hit new session and name it here, but we'll name this one here artist test, performance test, location SGN Studios, Nakoma Park. And then hit new session. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so when it pops up, you'll notice all the channels are record enabled. That's through 24. And some of these channels, it's a 16 channel mixer, but 19 through 24 are the auxiliary sends, so you can record those. 17 and 18, that's the stereo output of the board, which we will be recording. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the this is what tells us which channels are armed and which ones are not. So we want to turn them off and then individually select what we need. And so we're going to do a channel 1 and channel 2, which for a frame of reference, let's look at our mixer. And we're going to record enable all the channels we're going to use. So in this case, we're using mics 1 and 2, and then iPad is actually a stereo channel. You'll notice it says 5 here and then 7. That's because 5 and 6 are connected here. You will be able to see up here it's 5 and 6. And so we're going to select 1, 2, 5, and 6, and we'll just pretend like we're going to have a telephone call today. Make sure it's unmuted. We'll have a telephone call, so we'll be selecting channels 15 as well. So I will come back here and make sure that 1, 2, 5, 6, and 15 are enabled, and then we're also going to enable 17 and 18 because that's the stereo output of the board. It basically mimics the SD card recording. And now we're ready to multi-track record. So just like in the SD recording, you'll hit record and you'll start seeing things record on the screen if you had inputs connected, that is. And again, like on the mixer software, in order to stop the recording, you'll have to unlock and then stop. And there it is, 14 seconds. The files will be located where your save is, which if we did the install, we will always put this capture folder on your desktop. And I'm using a really slow computer for this, by the way. And so we'll go over here to test SGN Studios. It creates this file path based on your name, then audio files, and you'll see there we go, channels 1, 2, 5, 6, 15, 17, and 18, and you can go from here to edit those. And that is how you record with the capture software from PreSonus.